All right, ABK here. I'm a software engineer for a decade. I was middle of some business for my curiosity, so I would like share what exactly I mean, dealing with. The initially idea was like create a kitchen cabinet and try to be a actually the detach all pieces and combine to each other and prepare it for a package. But I want to do it with the AI, so I went through all of these AI for handling this. So let me just show you guys. Uh, I went. Okay, this is a Sora. I went through the also Claude, Gemini, actually ChatGPT, Google Copilot, GitHub Copilot, Sora, and Bolt, and Canva, and Grok, and Queen. All of these, honestly. Okay, let me explain, and let's go through one by one. Uh, okay, I made actually a script, and to be clarified with the AI I needed, and I wanted to be just share this script with all of those AIs, right? So this is what exactly I got. Oh, come on. Okay. This is what exactly I got with actually the Claude. Look at that. There is no any backside at all, and it made for me actually some button as well. And with these buttons, I could actually go through. This is actually it's a part, and I need. This is stack them. I wanted to stack them and put it in the package. The idea was like that. Okay, I want to create a a 3D cabinet, and I don't have any idea about the 3JS or whatever it is, but I wanted AI make it for me. So let's go through one by one, and this is a full also animation. It's stock for some reason. Okay, it's not actually I wanted, but it it almost create a cabinet, and it's depart. It's not. It's useless, but it actually okay. It's great. Let's go through the Gemini. By the way, all of these actually AIs are free, and I never paid none of them. Okay, this is actually the Gemini. There is one door is here. Assembling the cabinet. Put it the pack. Okay. Was it like? Is it? Yeah, actually, it's like it looks. Okay, it's a delivery packaging. Okay, let's. That was nice. This is Bolt. Look at that. It's really interesting, right? Isn't it? Look, and it becomes some buttons as well, and you can. Okay, move on and next. Then go through the next one. Is it the stack? Yeah, actually, it's hard to. All right, it is what it is. Okay. And look at this picture. I don't know. Maybe it's the packaging or something. I look at also a little bit to the code. I couldn't find any picture or images, but probably I don't know some images. Yeah, from somewhere. It's this is the Canva AI, and yeah, look at that. Okay. This is the my cabinet, and doors open, detached, stacked. With a weird way it's stacked, right? In package. Okay. The package. Okay. This is the Canva. Okay. The Grok after almost 2 hours, nothing, honestly. It created just HTML probably, yeah, actually it's a 3JS. I also never tried this one. Quinn also as well. Okay, I really also didn't try it, but for some reason it doesn't really show the preview. Probably some files or something is missing in the middle of the generation. Okay, but my point is actually okay, and I just also I couldn't really get any result with the GitHub Copilot actually, but only I paid the. This is the paid one. Actually, I have access to these models as well. So I was a little bit searched. There is a MCP for actually MCP for the Blender, and this one it was good. I went through this one, and notice it works only with Cloud, and you have to install the Cloud. And okay, if you would do it, you have to pay dedicatedly. If you have any account, or I mean any paid account, so it's fine. Give it a shot, and why not? Of course, it worth it. But for my actually for my perspective it was a little bit different because I paid already Copilot. Why couldn't use it? So I went through actually the VS Code, and so in the VS Code I just created a project. In the project you have to create the .vs code, and inside of the .vs code you need to create a mcp.json. Okay, probably you know all guys these days the mcp stuff, and this protocol you can communicate with the agents, software to software and whatever, and etc. But I don't really want to I don't really want to go through this. But what I want to mention, actually, with this MCP, you need to configure your cloud with this configuration, then head to actually to Blender and fix it. Okay, you have to do all stuff here as this guy mentioned, but instead of the fix it with the cloud, I just fix it with the VS Code. So just copy this one, and I just look at the code for the Blender, and I notice I need put the port for the VS Code and clarify it, and it works. And look at that. This is the exactly the same code as they mentioned, but I just added port, whatever you put it here, and you can just copy and paste it, and look at the output. It's all run, and it found actually the tools for communication with your AI, and actually the Blender. The good point is I was able to render this and this. Actually, these are next one, and next, and the fifth one is a little bit. Yeah, I know the issue is. I think this is the camera issue. Yeah, I have to fix it. But I wouldn't really touch the Blender at all. I just found this object in somewhere, and added some texture there, and asked the AI to make it for me. And yeah, it started, and actually the good point is I can actually go through all of these models you wanted, and yeah, and so on. Okay, and yeah, that was my idea. Hope you enjoy it and try it. Peace.